Hello everyone, I am a Power MSc said. Today we can discuss a programmer model of 8085. First of all, what is a microprocessor? A microprocessor is a part of the CPU that can be gives the data from the memory and that can be processed, and this processed data that can be stored at the memory, that is the microprocessor. In the block diagram of the microprocessor, there are different or number of blocks, but some blocks cannot be used for the programmer and some blocks that can be used or available for the programmer. These blocks are known as this method or these blocks are known as the programmer model. In the programmer model, we can use a 8085 microprocessor. So there are some resistor, there are some special function resistor, some general purpose resistors, and we can use the data and address lines. First of all, we can see the resistor, first resistor, that is the accumulator or A resistor, that is known as the A resistor. There are 8-bit resistor, it means that can be stored the data in the 8-bit. So that can be used for the general purpose or in the arithmetic and logic functions. That can be stored the first operand in the accumulator. It means all CPU or all ALU operation that can be based on this ALU. So accumulator that can be gives the first operand, second operand that can be stored at the different memory location or some different registers such as B, C, D, E, H and L. At the time of we can use some operations such as the arithmetic operation or logical operation. That's time that can be creates the result, and this result that can be stored at the accumulator. Because this resistor or this operation that can be based on the accumulator. Next it is that the flag resistor. At the time of we can generate the resistor that can be stored at the accumulator or A resistor. This resistor status that can be set by the flag resistor. In the flag resistor there are different flags that can be used such as a sign flag, parity flag, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag and zero flag. There are flags of the flag resistor. It is also similar to the accumulator. It is a 8-bit resistor, and that can be each bit that can be says the purpose of the resistor. It means the sign flag that can be says the result stored in the accumulator is a positive or negative. The parity bit that can be assigned or that can be says the stored result in the accumulator, that is the odd or even. The carry that can be says in the result carry will be generated or not. Next it is that the auxiliary carry. It means we can use the 4-bit data or we can use the 8-bit data at the time of in one nibble that can be creates the 4-bit that can be creates the one nibble, and in one nibble that can be create a carry. That's time this carry is known as the auxiliary carry. In the result, if carry auxiliary carry will be generated, that's time the AC or auxiliary carry bit will be high, otherwise it is equal to reset or 0. Next it is that the result purpose is 0 or non-zero, that can be set by this bit Z, and another 3 bits are not used in the flag resistor. Next it is that the B resistor. It is a general purpose resistor. We can use for the data storing in the different operations. Second operand that can be stored at the B resistor, C resistor, D resistor, E resistor, H and L. Also, it is a 8-bit resistor. It is a similar to the C resistor. It is a 8-bit. D it is that the 8-bit. E it is that the 8-bit. H it is that the 8-bit, and L it is that the 8-bit. If your requirement it is a 16-bit, we can use this B resistor and C resistor that can be combined, and that can be makes a 16-bit address or 16-bit data that can be stored at this pair of resistor, that is the B and C. Another pair it is that the D and E. Another pair it is that the H and L. That can be makes the 8 plus 8 bit. It is a 16-bit resistors. Next it is that the stack pointer. What is a stack pointer? When we can use a main program that can be executed, and this program instruction or next memory location of the program that can be stored at the program counter. At the time of we can use the stack pointer, we can execute a main program. That's time we can use the interrupt. It means we can use in the main program that can be execute a sub program. That's time the program or memory location of the next instruction or that can be used to the main program to the sub program. That's time this memory location of main program that can be stored at this stack pointer. It is also a 16-bit stack pointer because we can use a 16-bit unidirectional address bus. It means the address it is a 16-bit. So this address that can be stored at the stack pointer and that is also 16-bit. Next it is that the program counter. When we can store the program in the memory location and we can execute a program one by one. At the time the program counter that can be stored or counts the which instruction that can be executed means the next instruction byte or next instruction address that can be stored at the program counter which that can be executed at the program counter. It is also a 16-bit register. It is also a 16-bit register. This register purpose that can be changed by the programmer. Also, we can write a program in the ALP or assembly language code. Next, it is that we can use data bus and address bus that can be connected at the ALU. ALU it is that the arithmetic and logic unit that can be makes the arithmetic function and logic function and result that can be stored at the accumulator. And another result that can be stored in the general purpose registers such as the B, C, D, E, H and L. The 8-bit data that can be used, so by microprocessor 8085 it is 8-bit. So 8-bit data that can be used and that can be processed and that can be taken over or that can be stored at the memory. So we can use the 8-bit data bus and another it is at the 16-bit address line. Why we can use the 16-bit address line? So the address lines bits or address it is a 16-bit that can be interfaced to the ALU. It is also unidirectional bus. It means only we can send the data to the ALU, to the arithmetic and logic unit. Also the data bus it is the bidirectional. It means we can transfer or receive the data from the ALU to the general purpose registers or special function register to the or it is also vice versa. That is the programmer model of the 8085 of the microprocessor. Thank you.